Hello, Namaste. Today we are making Talapakatti style mutton curry with Andhra tadka. That means that masalas and style, implementing that, I'll make this mutton curry. Preparation 20 minutes it takes, and for cooking 45 minutes. Why? Because mutton will keep in cooker. And these are the spices and 3 kinds of 1 powder and 2 wet paste we'll make, masalas we'll make. Let us go for this traditional curry of making. Ginger garlic paste, onions, tomatoes and green chilies, coriander, pudina for wet masala, and what we call coriander seeds or dhania, zeera, and these are black cardamom, as you know, and these are cloves, and these are green cardamom, and this is nutmeg, star anise, dalchi, and this is the spice that we want to use in Andhra Pradesh, but this is called kalpasi in Tamil. That means black stone flour. And red chilies we have to soak in water to make a fine paste. 2 kinds of paste and 1 dry masala we'll make. Quantities I'll give in description box clearly. Please make arrangements according to that. For clarity I am showing. This is the wet paste we'll make. All the greens. The mutton take into the pressure cooker. Ginger garlic paste keep. Ginger garlic paste in this only we'll keep. And some curd or yogurt. You keep in the cooker. Keep some salt in the cooker and close the pressure cooker. Now it's time to make chili paste along with greens, that is coriander, pudina. They'll keep curry leaves also in this paste, but we won't. And the cooking for mutton boiling we kept in pressure cooker, no? In that only this greens and red chili paste will go. And now we are making other 2 paste, 1 dry paste and 1 wet paste. For spices dry powder, we have to roast them. Meanwhile, our mutton is getting ready. Besides, black pepper I say optional. Why? Because it makes curry more spicy that kids can't take. So think and keep. If you want, you proceed. Otherwise, avoid black pepper. Now roast them finely. Meanwhile, cooker is getting whistles. Till for 6 whistles we'll keep the pressure cooker for mutton for its soft texture. Into that only red chili powder, coriander, pudina we kept. They keep curry leaves also, but I am not doing that. And now dry spice also ready. Dry spice powder also ready. And now whistle is getting done with 5 whistles till now. After pressure releases, I'll open its lid. Meanwhile, what I am doing in that 5 minutes, take 100 grams of ghee. Only ghee they'll use in their branches. So I am also using ghee only. In this onion, tomato and green chili paste I am keeping. Along with that some turmeric I kept, as I have already shown you. Only ghee I am using. So this is an authentic method of their making, which is very world famous it is. Biryani is famous actually. I am making mutton gravy out of that essence. That's why Andhra tadka I said. And curry leaves also I am not making a paste. Now this dry spice powder that we made will go into the gravy. Here I have to say one thing, that black stone flour we use, no, it don't have any separate flavor. It will have aroma only, but it has so many good qualities in it which is very good for our health. So please add it in your spices. In East India, they'll use in spices compulsory this black stone flour is a general spice for them. Like in our garam masala, we use everything like that. They use black stone flour also. Now closed cooking we are doing now. After that, after pressure came, in this meanwhile we prepared this. Now add the mutton also from the pressure cooker. Some salt we kept in mutton, so 1 more spoon I am keeping here. Now again I'll turn it finely and we'll close. Ghee evaporates fast, so closed and medium flame cooking is suggestible for this gravy making. They'll spend a lot of time in cooking this biryani, but we are making here mutton gravy. Okay. Now I'm adding little water for gravy, very little. If you don't want, leave that. That is also optional. Okay. You don't want to add water, leave it. No problem. Then it will be a thick gravy. That's all. But black pepper, if you want to keep, it will give more spice. See and add. That is optional. Now we will use a banana leaf also in this cooking process as they do. Why? Because it has germ killing technology, natural germ killing technology in it, and we are using meat actually. So if any here and there something went wrong, now this banana leaf will help us. Again I am repeating the process. First we added tomato, onion, green chili paste, then dry powder, then mutton goes into this. For 5 minutes we will cook. Then we will add the pressure cooker mutton which we kept for 6 whistles. Okay, I am repeating. Then finally we will keep some water if we want loose gravy. Otherwise thick gravy if you prefer means you can leave like that. I am repeating the process. Same thing I am repeating. Now add mutton. This is the second time I am showing. I want to show you very clearly. That's why I am repeating this process again for you. After cooking for 10 minutes, the pressure cooker mutton went now. And 1 spoon only I added salted in cooker. Now 1 more spoon I am adding now. Okay. Green masala, green leaves paste along with red chili went into cooker only with mutton. Curry leaves also they'll keep in that paste, but I want to add separately in Andhra style, like it will bring finally a nice flavor to the curry. So I want them to be visible. As I already informed you, banana leaf have very good qualities in it. It will kill germs in the food, it seems. So it's very good to intake food on banana leaf. And while cooking also, now I'll close this vessel with banana leaf. If you can keep 2 layers of banana leaf means it will be very good. But I tried it, but it didn't work 2 layers on this cooking vessel. So I'm keeping only 1 layer. If you can keep 2 layers means it will be very good. It will avoid vapor to go out. Meanwhile, I said no, it has a good properties of intaking germs if any here and there. As this is meat cooking. Now 1 layer only I kept and I'll keep weight on it for pressure to not go out. And we are cooking this in medium flame. And now for last 5 minutes we'll cook in sim flame. After keeping banana leaf and weight on it, we'll cook for 5 minutes only. That too in sim flame. But see now, all the ghee, only ghee I kept. Everything came up. This is our Talapakati Andhra Tadka style